Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making sesame egg fried rice. It's easy and delicious. You can make it within 10 minutes. I've got here 2.5 cups of cooked rice. Have you ever tried to season the rice directly? Liquid seasonings such as soy sauce can drop down the wok's temperature if you add it while stir-frying. That causes the rice to stick to the wok. Adding the seasonings to the rice ahead of the time prevents the sticking, and you can avoid rummaging around if you are a beginner. I'm using soy sauce for the flavor, dark soy sauce for the color, and optionally, some sambal chili sauce for a spicy kick. If you don't have this brand, just use your favorite chili sauce. These 3 ingredients make great flavors. No need to add any special seasonings. Give it a taste to adjust the sodium level. Mine needs a pinch of salt. All the sodium seasonings are in the rice, so it should taste a little bit saltier than your normal preference. Later on, it will be balanced out by the egg and the vegetables. Set it aside, and now we're gonna lightly crush the sesame seeds to release the flavor. You don't need a mortar and pestle. Just use a rolling pin to pound it for 30 seconds. These sesame seeds are roasted already. If yours are raw, you have to bake them in a 360 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 minutes. You could use white sesame seed, but black is better as it tends to be nuttier and crispier. Set it aside. For the aromatics, I'm using 1 shallot, 2 slices of ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm lazy, so I just blend them in a mini blender. It's mess-free. Turn the heat to high and preheat the wok thoroughly until it is smoking hot. While waiting, you can quickly crack 3 large eggs and beat them well. Toss in 1.5 tablespoons of pork lard and swirl to melt it. You can use vegetable oil if you prefer. I love using a carbon steel wok as long as you preheat it thoroughly. It is non-stick. I'll link this wok in the description. You can check it out if you want to buy it. Add the egg, and it should set immediately. Quickly break it into small pieces and remove it from the wok. Add a little bit more oil and toss in the minced aromatics. I also got some diced red and green bell pepper. They add nice color to the fried rice. Sometimes I will add some ground beef or pork at this point. But today I want to keep this recipe simple. So toss in the rice directly without any meat. Stir over high heat for a few minutes. The rice is already seasoned, so the rest is easy. Always look for the grains dancing and jumping at the bottom of the wok. That is the sign of fluffiness, and also my cue to introduce the egg back into the wok. Sprinkle the diced scallions and the toasted sesame seeds. Add a drizzle of sesame oil. Give it a final toss. We're done. I know most people already put sesame seeds in their fried rice, but it does taste different when using a larger amount because it gives that nice crispy pop. Egg and sesame seed together are just simply delicious. You can eat this fried rice on its own or serve with your favorite dish. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!